How kids speak English fluently. Hello friends, my name is Noor and I love learning English every day. Speaking English is fun because it helps me talk to new people and learn new things. I try to use simple English sentences at home, at school, and while playing with my friends. The more I practice, the more confident I become. Every morning, I start my day with positive thoughts. I greet my family in English and tell them about my plans for the day. At school, I listen carefully to my teacher and answer questions in English. Even if I make mistakes, I keep trying because mistakes help me learn and improve. After school, I read short English stories and learn new words. Sometimes I watch educational videos and repeat the sentences aloud. I also practice speaking in front of a mirror, which helps me improve my pronunciation. Learning English becomes easy when we practice a little every day. In the evening, I talk with my family about my day using English sentences. I enjoy sharing my thoughts and learning new expressions from others. Speaking English fluently is not difficult. If we stay consistent and believe in ourselves. Remember, practice, patience, and confidence are the keys to success. Another helpful way to improve English is by speaking with friends who are also learning the language. We can ask each other simple questions, play word games, and practice short conversations together. These activities make learning enjoyable and help us remember new words more easily. When we use English regularly in fun situations, our speaking skills grow faster. 10 interesting questions. Answer your favorite one in the comments. Can you introduce yourself? Why is English important? What helps improve speaking? Why practice every day? How do stories help? Why listen to English? What if you make mistakes? Why is confidence important? How can English be fun? How does practice help? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and join our learning family for more English magic.